Instagram pushes Reels by leveraging its algorithm and various features to increase the visibility and reach of Reel content. Here's how it works. Explore page. Instagram's Explore page is a curated feed of content tailored to each user's interests. It prominently features Reels that align with the user's preferences, engagement patterns, and past interactions. This helps expose users to a diverse range of Reels from creators they may not follow. Reels tab. Instagram has a dedicated Reels tab on the bottom navigation menu, making it easily accessible to users. This tab showcases a personalized feed of Reels based on the user's activity and interests. Users can scroll through the feed, discover new content, and engage with Reels directly. Algorithmic recommendations. Instagram's algorithm analyzes user behavior, including likes, comments, shares, and saved Reels, to understand individual preferences. It then recommends similar Reels to keep users engaged and interested. The algorithm also considers factors such as the popularity and engagement of a Reel to determine its placement and exposure. Virality and engagement. Reels that receive a high engagement rate, such as likes, comments, and shares, have a higher chance of being pushed to a wider audience. Instagram's algorithm recognizes and promotes Reels that generate significant traction, helping them gain more visibility and potentially go viral. Collaborative effects. When users engage with Reels, such as sharing or tagging their friends, it increases the likelihood of those friends seeing and engaging with the same Reels. This collaborative effect further amplifies the reach and exposure of popular Reels. Cross-promotion. Instagram cross-promotes Reels within other parts of the app, such as the Stories section or the main feed. This increases the chances of users encountering and engaging with Reels, even if they primarily use other features on the platform.